the menu today, guys, are some spicy chicken wings made with my very own homemade sauce. So let's get started. I have some chicken wings that I did cut up, right? And then I washed them in some water. And now I'm going to place some lemon juice, or you can also use lime juice, right over on the chicken. Then we're going to add some salt. And then we're going to massage it well. Then add some water and let this soak for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm going to remove them from the salt and lime water and squeeze them a little, place them into my strainer and let them drain for another 5 minutes. Once I'm done, it's time to season, and I'm gonna leave all details in the description box below, okay? I'm using some lemon powder seasoning with some onion and garlic powder. I'm also using ginger powder. Feel free to use the fresh one. And you can't go wrong with the smoked paprika, guys. If you don't got smoked paprika in your meat, trust me. Then I'm also adding some black pepper, and of course some Jamaican jerk seasoning. This is gonna be really spicy. Some teriyaki sauce. And then I'm going to massage this seasoning well into the wings, making sure that each pieces are evenly coated. Cover it, set it aside for about 30 minutes, or you can also leave it overnight. So I have some flour here, and I'm adding some black pepper, some smoked paprika again, some ginger powder, some parsley flakes, and some salt. And you want to shake this up and make sure that it's evenly mixed up in there. At this time I have a pan with oil over medium heat, all right? So what I'm going to do is coat my chicken wings with the flour. Then I'm going to just shake the bag like this, dust them, and place them onto your plate. Now the oil is extremely hot, guys, and you want to place them in here. Do not overcrowd the pan and let them fry for about 3 minutes on each side. And I don't know about you, but I love to cover my pan when I'm frying chicken. After 3 minutes, then just flip them over like this. At this time, you want them to cook for 2 minutes on the other sides because they're not too big wings, all right? So they're now done. Take them out and place them onto a plate with paper towel. And continue to do the rest in the same pattern. So my chicken wings are all done. They are so beautiful. I love them. I love the color. So I have a pan over medium heat again, and I'm using some hot water. 1/4 cup of hot water, 1/2 cup of tomato ketchup, and guys, you can also use the tap water, all right? Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Now I'm going to add 1/2 cup of passion fruit juice, guys, some complete seasoning, some more smoked paprika. I'm also adding some parsley, some red pepper flakes, and of course some more Jamaican jerk seasoning. If you don't like anything spicy, guys, then this is not for you. You want to mix this well and let this come to a boil until this mixture has been thickened. You can see all the seasonings up in my sauce there. Look at how beautiful this is, guys. And my sauce is done. It's simple, it's easy. Give it a try, guys. Pour it right over onto the chicken wings, all right? And then you want to mix them up, making sure that every piece of wing is coated with this tasty sauce. And then serve. And here you have it, guys. It's so simple to make. If you don't like spicy, again, I'm saying just leave out the spice. These are some jerk chicken wings with my own homemade sauce. Give it a try, guys. Enjoy. Don't you forget to subscribe, alright? So I'll see you soon.